Did you know that Pensacola is home to the earliest European multi-year settlement in the United States? Since 1996, hundreds of UWF anthropology students have participated in the excavation of shipwrecks and the land site associated with this Spanish colony. My name is John Bratton, and I am chair of the UWF Department of Anthropology. The programs in the Department of Anthropology are designed to provide students with hands-on training, opportunities to engage in public undertakings, and collaborate in our faculty research. Our faculty specialize in a wide array of research areas, including archaeology, cultural anthropology, bioanthropology, forensics, and sociology. These specialties allow us to offer programs in anthropology and interdisciplinary maritime studies, as well as in minors in sociology. Our students gain skills that allow them to apply concepts and theories in all subfields of anthropology, including communication, the development of critical thinking skills. These skills will prepare you for career opportunities such as an archaeologist, a forensic scientist, a corporate researcher, a preservationist, a museum educator, or a sociologist. The Anthropology Department is equipped with resources such as terrestrial and maritime laboratories, biological and forensic laboratories. We also have the University of West Florida Dive Locker and the Dive Safety Program. Anthropology and Maritime Studies students have access to the Margaret J. Smith Archaeology Institute, the Florida Public Archaeology Network, and Marine Services. All these are designed to involve UWF students. They support and complement the work that we do in the classroom while providing hands-on experience to prepare students for professional fieldwork. Our department offers an array of opportunities to include field schools, scholarships, internships, student clubs, undergraduate research opportunities. Thank you for your interest in our program and the opportunities available to our students. We are especially proud of the hands-on opportunities that the Department of Anthropology provides to help prepare students for graduate study and for employment in both the private sector and government agencies. In addition to an on-campus program, the BA in Maritime Studies is also offered online. We look forward to you joining one of our programs soon. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us.